EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martins here with your outlook for April 16th, 2020. Calendar, of course, is now in mid-April, and they're getting into the second half of April, but some of you are going to see snow over the next couple of days, or at least snow flakes. Today is going to be the first of those days. We're not really going to see too much in the local forecast because the confidence is not high enough, or the percentage of areas getting it is not high enough, except maybe for our northern areas to see that today, with a upper-level trough moving through the region. Now, we have a trough that's going to be sitting over the region for the next couple of days, actually through Saturday. That's going to keep temperatures on the colder side. And these next 2 days, today, tomorrow, are going to be the bottom of that trough. So it's going to be pretty cold, with temperatures in the mid to upper 40s for many interior locations here for highs today and Friday. Now, today is not going to be too big of a deal here, but we have an upper-level trough that's going to swing through the area. And that's going to give mostly sunny skies a start. It's going to be mostly cloudy this afternoon for most locations, and that's because you're going to have there's a very big separation in temperature between the ground, even though it's only mid-upper 40s. It's not like it's that warm, but if you go up to about 5,000 feet or so, temperatures are going to be about 20, 22 degrees. It's going to be pretty cold. So that separation in temperature there is going to really enhance those clouds, stratocumulus clouds today. And you could have a few snow showers with that rotating through during the course of the afternoon for, again, mainly the northern half of our area that will expand from north central PA and head all the way over to northern New Jersey. And you could have a quick, heavy snow shower move through. Not out of the realm of possibility. Very steep lapse rates today will, I think, help with that. So lapse rates, for those of you who don't know what lapse rates are, it is a measure of how quickly the temperature drops from the surface to up to about 6,000 feet in the atmosphere. So right now the lapse rates are being projected to be about 9 degrees Celsius of a drop for every kilometer you go up above the surface. That's pretty steep. So because of that, I think you're going to get some snow showers across the area. The NAM's picking up on that a little bit this evening, and this is looking at early afternoon. Actually, this is 2 p.m. You see some snow shower activity across north central PA. Now, this isn't a real big deal. But it's just enough that if you see some snow showers here, you're not like, wow, what happened? That's why. That's why. Separation in temperature between those levels are giving you these snow showers here with that shortwave trough moving through the region. So that's today, and that goes all the way up until early evening for areas as far in northern New Jersey, as far east as northern New Jersey. So that'll be today. The second round might be a little bit more impressive, and it just mainly our far northern parts of Pennsylvania. Now, this next system comes in here on Friday, so we're after a clear and cold night tonight with some patchy frost, some areas getting below freezing. That's why you have the freeze warnings out by the National Weather Service. As we get into the overnight here, we're going to have clouds increase early Friday morning, and then you have this system moving in. It's going to bring some showers for most of us, but for far northern areas, you're going to start off as snow. And you can see that here on the NAM high res. You see that snow starting here. This is not producing a lot of snow, and it's just going to be brief where it does snow when it's this far south across the Poconos. I think the Poconos are the areas you're going to get it. Maybe a rain-snow mix all the way down to like places like the Lehigh Valley. Might even see a rain-snow mix for a little bit on Friday afternoon. But far northern areas up here, closest to the New York-Pennsylvania border, are the areas that are going to see any kind of accumulations, I think, before this goes over to rain. You can see that here. Okay, so this goes all the way. This will be showers. You get that initial push that might give you some snow showers here. Places like Luzerne, Carbon, Monroe, Schuylkill. And then once you get into the later in the afternoon, you get a little bit of a break here. Then you have more showers moving in as temperatures warm later in the day going into the evening. And then it's going to end overnight. So we do have a chance for some snow, but I think it's the snow that's going to be with this one is going to be just confined to our northern areas. Here's a snow map for that. And you can see, generally areas closest to the New York, Pennsylvania border could get an inch or two, maybe even a few higher elevations getting to 3. But areas further south, you're probably an inch or less, okay? And that's going to be in the mountainous regions most likely that you see across northeast PA, north central PA for those accumulations. We're not expecting this to come down too far south just yet. We'll continue to monitor just in case. But this is probably our last hurrah of any kind of snow. This is something I actually outlined in the long-range outlook last Friday as a last gasp chance of any snow for far northern areas, and this is it. This is it. This is what we were talking about. So this is going to move through, and again, Friday is going to be just like today with temperatures not getting out of the 40s for highs, but then when we get into Saturday, we're going to increase a little bit, maybe back in the lower 50s for highs here on Saturday. Any early clouds giving way to sun in the afternoon. And then Sunday should be a partly cloudy day as well until we get late in the day and you have an increase in clouds as ahead of the next frontal boundary, which is off to our north here. This is early Sunday. You see this frontal boundary dropping down to the south. Could be an isolated shower with that in some areas here on Sunday night. And then there's going to be another system moving off to our south and east. Most of you will miss this, but our far southeastern areas could get grazed by this and get some rain during the day here on Monday. Probably cloudy on the fringe areas and then mostly cloudy, partly to mostly cloudy far interior as this system pulls off to the south and east. I think this largely misses this region as of now, but we're continuing to monitor this as well. But it does turn warmer on Sunday and Monday. Temperatures are getting 60 or above in some locations here on both days. So getting back closer to normal for this time of year. And same thing here for Tuesday. Tuesday is a partly cloudy day. Might have another front trying to move through here overnight, but then Wednesday is going to be a little bit warmer. Actually, this is the system coming in here on Wednesday. So Wednesday will be an increase in clouds with showers later in the day. And we'll be warm through Wednesday. It looks like 60s from Sunday through at least Wednesday of next week. It might take a step back to upper 50s to near 60 for a couple days after that, but then I think we're clear sailing once you reach the 26th of the month. 26 is the magic number, magic day, I guess, where you are going to start seeing an increase and consistently increasing temperatures that are going to be upper 60s, low 70s. So, and a prolonged stretch of that looks like going forward once we reach the 26th of the month. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchers. That is your outlook for April 16th, 2020. Have a great Thursday.